you got a fascinator with these sorts of sinamay loops in? It's sort of the straw-like fabric material. So you can have these, they're featuring a lot of the high street fascinators. You might have some squashed away in a box. I can't show you because I don't have a fascinator with them in damaged condition. But my one trick from home, and only do this on sinamay, don't do it on any synthetic fabric covered loops or anything like that, just this material. If you put hair straighteners on, now this is if the loops are big enough to be able to get hair straighteners into, on their lowest setting, and you can just ease them through. Now, I'm not pretending that this is the professional way of doing it, but this is the way you can revive a hat or fascinator with what you've got at home. Now, as I say, be careful about how and what you tackle, but if you've got something that you're not going to wear anyway because it's damaged, always send me a pic and I can consult with you if you want. But there, can you see? And just smoothing it along. Be careful not to put any tight angles into it. But look, you can see how it's come together. Now, and whilst it's got a bit of warmth in it, you can sort of bend it, mould it with your fingers a little bit. So that's the sinamay loops. And so you can get the straighteners into quite a small loop, but be careful not to singe any feathers or anything whilst you're at it. Okay?